All right. So let us start the session. Good evening, everyone. I told tomorrow is holiday, right? I told, but today less 10th actually. Did they misunderstand? Online team, can you hear me? Online team, I need a response, please. Fine then. Let us start. Let me test. A3, 27, 28. Array boss, dates are not changing. Classification. Good. Current topic is a classification. We are going to start. I would like to say logistic regression when I say the classification. R value. Maybe let me discuss in one day. Gradient descent. This one also upcoming topic. Today this one is the running, sir. Based on yesterday discussion, can I ask one question actually? Let me check. What is the purpose of cost function? Optimization. There are two sentences also. Any idea? Very good. Very good, ma'am. Yeah. The motto for any functionality will be reducing the error and what exactly? Increase the accuracy. The 2 points you need to remember. Very nice. I hope you know these are all ML steps actually. At any cost, you need to remember. Let us just try to make a highlight for every running nodes. These two steps are very, very important. And every running nodes, let me maintain that. So what you need to understand is for every algorithm, there are different cost functions. There are what exactly? Different cost functions. Come on. So today we are going to start. The topic name is called as a logistic regression. What is the topic name? Yesterday you already started, I guess. But anyway, let me give a quick introduction. Yeah, ML, these are all steps. Kindly please remember everyone actually on daily base. And next one is these are all ML flow actually. These are all what exactly? ML flow. Good. At last also let me announce. Sir, first of all, tomorrow no session. Tomorrow what exactly? No session. No session actually. And again, session will be on Saturday. Saturday session. It is not a regular session. It is not a practice session. I'm planning to explain Chart GPT and LLM with material. Kind of some workshop actually. And only for our batches. Like for you, previously one more batch is done actually. Maybe possible interview questions also I can cover. Maybe. Are you getting? Chart GPT and LLM. That is depends upon NLP, but for you guys, NLP is not done actually. If you want, you can try to attend. But after NLP, you can understand very quickly. I'm repeating again the session what I'm conducting for old batches. But still, if you want, you can attend actually. I will explain in such a way that you also can connect. Are you with me? Good. Let me try. Saturday, the timings will be mostly I'm fixing for 10 a.m. What am actually? 10 a.m. Morning 10 a.m. It will be around 1.5 hours. I will share the link. I will share what exactly, sir? Link actually. Good. Let's move to the discussion. And as I told you, coming Monday, what is the session? Resume preparation. I hope you remembered, I guess. Timings, Sriram sir, morning 10 a.m. If it is not feasible for anyone, I can help you with the recorded session. I can help you with what exactly? A recorded session. All right. Classification, logistic regression. Let's open this one. I'm not sure. Did I explain this one yesterday? Yeah, I hope I explained actually. Let me remind one more time. First of all, logistic regression is under, it falls under with what exactly? Supervisor learning. And next one is it is a technique that is used to solve classification problem. Under supervised, there are two categories. What is the first one? Good. Second one, classification. This logistic regression belongs to classification. Good. And it is used for predicting the categorical dependent variable using with the set of independent variable. Like a regression, simple linear regression, how we have seen dependent variable and independent variable, here also would have a same actually. Here also we do have a same, we'll see. There are mainly email spam or not, customer will buy the product or not, something like a classifying, I would like to say categorization also. Types of logistic regression, binary classification, next one is a multi-class classification. This is having two clauses. The binary, the name itself is talking by. By means two actually, right? Like a bits language, binary language, zeros and ones, something like that. Multi-class classification. This is having more than what exactly? Two classes. When I say binary classification, in binary classification, there can be only two possibility types of the dependent variable, like a 0 or 1, pass or fail, yes or no, something like that. In multi-class classification, it can be more than two, sir. It can be more than what exactly? Two actually. Yeah, keep in mind that. Now the data set. Yeah, let me just try to take one small data set actually. Let me show you one small data set. Sorry, hold on. Insurance data set. Let me check it out where it is. Yeah. So please observe this one. First, try to understand this is the simple and basic example. Once you understand this, I will explain from Kaggle example. I will explain from what exactly? Kaggle example. Try to understand this one. Sir, I hope you know, generally, before getting job, before getting what exactly? Job, if somebody is saying about insurance, somebody is saying about what exactly? Insurance. First of all, do you know about the insurance? Do you know? LIC. Let me tell you. What do you mean by that? Best example, if you belongs to something like a less than 6 lakhs, less than what exactly? Assuming that you are going to get a job, you are going to get what exactly? Job. If your current salary is less than 6 lakhs, less than what exactly? 6 lakhs. Sir, no deduction, sir. Happy. No deduction actually. Not much deductions. Deductions in the sense, from your salary, company will not deduct much money actually. But if you are getting 10 lakhs salary, how much salary, sir? 10 lakhs, more than 8 lakhs. Now get ready. You need to pay to the government how much, you any idea? 20% actually. How much you need to pay, sir? 20%. I mean to say that, assuming that monthly you are getting 1 lakh. Just imagine. Just I'm giving a rough idea. So don't be serious, everyone. Assuming that monthly you are getting what exactly? What is the salary? 1 lakh salary. Then you have to pay how much actually? 20K, no doubt at all. It will be deductions. Just general, I'm giving an idea. This 20K, they will start deduct actually. But I don't want 20K deduction. Are boss, that is my money. Why government is trying to deduct my money? Then what you need to do, you need to show, you need to show some savings. Some what exactly, sir? Savings. In the form of, there are some 18C, there are some different sections would have actually. There is again big cinema. I don't want to touch that area. But keep in mind that I don't want deduct my money. Are boss, I'm telling Modi ji, please don't deduct my money. If you wanted to say directly, they cannot listen. But instead of that one, what we need to do, we have to show, boss, I'm doing saving my money every month actually. Then don't deduct my money. Then still they will deduct, sir. Assuming that, then you have to go for LIC kind of thing. What you have to go for? LIC or else PPF also. What is that one? PPF also, Permanent Provident Fund. These are all things actually. Later you will understand. Present focus on the preparation actually. These are all terminology. Later it will be helpful for you. Assuming that on yearly, you are planning to save on an average 2 lakhs actually. Yearly, you are planning to save on an average what exactly? 2 lakhs amount. Then how much they are deducting actually? Tell me. 20K, right? Once you have taken LIC and if you are showing the document to the company, company will ask every year before December, they will ask actually. Before December, exactly November month, let me know. Do you have any plans for the savings? Are you planning to saving or not? It will ask actually. That is called as a tax declaration. That is called as what exactly, sir? Tax declaration. Tax declaration. During this tax declaration, you need to submit LIC document. You need to submit what exactly? LIC document. That's not a mandatory. If you are not submitting, government will deduct the money. Keep in mind that actually. Did you understand first of all? Good. Now, assuming that I'm getting a 10 lakhs amount actually. 10 lakhs is my salary. Every month I'm getting 1 lakh. Then I have taken LIC. I have taken what exactly? LIC. Let me tell you. Now, after getting job, if you're crossing your package will be 10 lakhs actually, get ready. Definitely you need to take one LIC policy actually. I don't have any policies. Keep in mind that actually I'm not running anything. Keep in mind that if somebody is taking about the insurance, all software employees, they will take bank loans, they will take house loans actually, they will take car loans. Do you think just for fun they will save, they will take actually? No, 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 no. To save the deduction, to save what exactly? Either LIC you can take, or else home loan also you can take, or else car loan also you can take any loan from the bank actually. Then all these things you need to submit during November season. Doing what exactly? At last quarter, and it will be submitted during March actually. Conclusion of the story. Before getting job, if somebody is explaining about insurance actually, you won't like. Am I right or not, sir? We thought like this guy is explaining for his benefit actually. Even I do. I was in the same slab actually. But let me tell you, after getting a job, ensure that you have to take the LIC or something actually. Sir, if it is more than 10 lakhs actually, you know what? If it is more than 20 LPA, 20 LPA, 20 lakhs per annum, how much they will deduct, any idea? 30%, sir. On an average 40, but let me give on an average 30 actually. Currently, I'm sure every person who is crossing 20 lakhs per annum, government is planning to deduct per every 1 lakh, how much it is deducting actually? 30,000. That's what, let me tell you. Let me stop one thing actually. One CA guy, you need to reach one CA person. You have to show your payslip actually. Then that CA person will guide you. That CA person will what exactly, sir? Guide you actually. Guys, are you getting? Good. What exactly happened? Maybe that is not our discussion. Let me tell you. There was a student and his package is 18 LPA. His package is what exactly? 18 LPA. And almost 1 year done. 1 year he worked actually. How much years he worked actually? Do let me know. 1 year he worked. Then he's planning to change. Company started to give 21 lakhs actually. Company started to give what exactly? 21 lakhs. Now tell me, can he join or not? Any suggestion? No. Why? Because just because of 18 to 21, how much tax deductions actually? If he is in 18, how much salary? 20,000 he is supposed to pay. But 21, how much he need to pay? Then I suggested him, once your package is 25 touching, how much touching, sir? 25 touching, then only change your company. He can demand actually. Conclusion of the story, when to join, what to join, there are some patterns actually. These are all things. That's why I never change my mobile number. Call me. If you need any suggestion, I have a big community. Call me. I will help you. These are all things. Guys, are you with me? Now, coming to the point, let us move on with the discussion. We do have a data set. We do have what exactly, sir? Data set. In the given data set, there are two columns. There are how many columns actually? Two columns. Just imagine these are all working employees. There are some non-working employees also. Keep in mind that all working employees. Yeah. The person who is having 20 years of old, assuming that I'm maintaining LIC kind of issues actually. I mean, I'm maintaining some LIC policies. I call to one person, his age is 22. I explain, sir, so and so take LIC life policy. This is seriously good actually. And half an hour session I have given. Then finally, what he told, zero. Zero means what exactly? No, no, I'm not interested actually. Then can I force him? No, sir. According to the law, you should not force actually. Second one is what exactly? 25. Third one is what exactly? 47. Even before marriage, I didn't take any LIC, sir. Before marriage. But after marriage, I hope you understand. Definitely that is record actually. 48. When your age is increasing, when you are growing, by default, you have to maintain one LIC policy actually. Good. Can somebody talk with me? 48 years of person. One means? Yes. Yes means? He taken LIC. Good. And next one is what exactly? 52. Good. Now let me do some analysis. Why 47-year person have taken LIC? Why 52% didn't take LIC? Just to do some small analysis. Bring your thoughts actually. Very good. Nice point actually. Maybe this person's salary will be very huge. He is taking LIC. 52 years of person, you know what? Still his salary can be 30,000 or 35,000. Who knows actually? Guys, are you getting? Are you with me? Person to person salary is a quite different actually. Am I right or not, sir? I mean to say that we do have a mixed candidates. Don't be in assumption overall age is crossing 30, they're taking LIC actually. No, 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 no. Even they're crossing 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, but their salary is a small like a Britannia actually. That's what they are not taking LIC. Good. 46 they have taken, 56 taken, 55. One more person. Now, what is our motto? I would like to say, what is the first column? Talk with me. Next one is a bought insurance. Now here we need to enter the age will be something like a 38. Now here we need to do the prediction. Either he is going to take the insurance or not. That is a problem statement. First of all, did you understand the problem statement? Yeah, this problem statement is called as a binary classification. What classification, sir? Binary classification. Are you with me? Good. So first of all, understand the problem statement. Then let us start the discussion. I have a question for you. Get ready. It's insurance data set. Zero means so and so person is not taking insurance. One means will buy the insurance actually. He is going to take. We can understand one pattern here, like young people not buying the insurance, sir. Fact actually. Young people won't like to take actually. Am I right or not, sir? But still, let me tell you. 22-year person, let us take a two person. One person, 22 years actually, he is not taking. Another person, 22 years, he is taking. Any reason? Keep your thoughts actually. First person salary might be some 3 lakhs actually or 4 lakhs. Second person salary can be, maybe he's from IIT. Starting package will be 12 lakhs or 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, something like that actually. See, these are all analysis. You need to keep your thoughts actually. Good. Whereas person age is increasing, then the person most likely to buy what exactly? Insurance. This is the data set I already explained. And now, yeah, sir, let me tell you. In linear regression, in simple linear regression, what is the formula? Talk with me. Y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to what exactly? Mx plus b. One more time. Last time. In simple linear regression, the backend formula is, y equals to mx plus c. But in logistic regression, the backend formula name is called as a sigmoid function. What function actually? Sigmoid function. Sigmoid function. I will tell you separately what is a sigmoid function. These are all things I can cover. This is the kind of theory. But once I done with the example, then I will come back here and I will explain, sir. These are all things I can explain. Kindly please hold on. Once let me finish the example. Good. On x-axis, look at my screen, please. On x-axis, we are plotting age value. We are plotting what exactly? Age value. Initially, 20 years of old, 22, 23, 24, 25, zero means they're not taking insurance. They're not taking what exactly? Insurance. Once the age is increasing automatically, I would like to say 41, 42, 55, 56, then Y value can be 0 or 1. Am I right or not, sir? Y value can be what exactly? 0 or 1. Right, good. Now here, straight line will not work actually. Which line will not work? Talk with me. Straight line. Here, kind of some S-shaped curve, it will work here very well actually. What shaped curve, sir? S shape. This line is called as a sigmoid function. This line is called as what exactly? This is the gesture diagram I'm explaining. theory I can explain later. Hold on. I will come back here. This is the sigmoid function formula, sir. You no need to remember. 1 by 1 plus e to the power of g. 1 by 1 to the power of e to the power of minus g. Actually, e means Euler's number. Kind of some fixed value actually. Yeah, all right. Let's move to the discussion. Get ready. I'm going to ask a few EDA questions actually. Online team, can you hear me? Can I get a response? Online team, I need a kind response. Are you with me? Good. Yeah, fine then. Let us start. Get ready, sir. Very quickly, let us just try to do this role stuff. Print off. What is the purpose? Can I say logistic regression? Learning logistic regression. Am I right? Good. Now here, loading the data set. What is the next one? Step number one, loading the, sorry. Yeah. Importing the libraries. Step number two, loading the data set. Step number two is what exactly? Loading the data set. Yeah, let me just try to print the data set. I have a question for you. Let me check. What is the output? Nice. Then I hope you got it. I no need to run this example. Go back and pull the file. Run this example. What is output? It will print the data frame. It will print what exactly? Data frame. Sir. Yeah, recently Python batch started actually. I have installed 3.12. Go back. Just give me 1 minute. Did you understand what I'm talking? Yesterday, one new Python batch started actually. Python install. Then it is asking again install pandas. These are all things. Go back to the stable version. Let me downgrade the Python, please. Just today only explain. 28th. The two morning actually. 28th. Come on. What is the stable version I used to install? Any idea? 3 dot. I know. Just I'm asking. Either you remembered or not. Meanwhile, let me just try to ask a few basic questions actually. Can somebody tell me what is a class? Online team, you also get ready. If anyone wanted to answer, I can give a chance actually. Can somebody tell me what is a class? Come again. Okay. What is an object? Okay. Can somebody explain about list data structure? Good. Come on, kindly please prepare. These are all stuff. If you want, I can take small mock interview. If you guys done your preparation, do let me know. I can help you by taking small mock interview. From our material only I can take. That too all our interview preparation help actually. Come on, go back. Where is the Python stable version? Technology, softwares, Python 3.11.1. Yeah, I like this version, sir. It's a stable version. I would like to tell one point actually. Still, companies are using 3.6 version also. 3. Which version actually? 6 version, right? Companies will use. Why? Because if the project is started with the 3.6 version, migrating to other version, there is a big task actually. Instead of that one, they will maintain with the 3.6 version only. Okay, almost done. Kindly please hold on. For this Python 3.11, I already installed everything. My setup is ready. Pandas, sklearn, scikit-learn, matplotlib. These are all setup is ready. Yeah, done. Thank you. Now let's move on. Come here. Let us just try to run. Yeah, just try to say, is it done or not? Already for that one, the setup is ready actually. Come and talk with me. What is the first column? I just wanted to print all name of the columns, sir. How to print actual? Come again. Column sec. I wanted to print only top five, last five. Get ready. I'm going to ask you a question. I just wanted to print only zero related values. How to print? Come again. Can somebody tell me? Yeah. You need to apply what exactly? Filter. Create a condition. Df dot double equals to what exactly? 0. Then here what we need to do, sir? Condition. Simple, sir. We have to on every data set you need to do small EDA actually. Yeah, very good. On every data set you need to do what exactly? Small EDA. EDA means explanatory data set actually. Good. All right. Now I just wanted to print only one. Yeah. You can just try to print this one also. I hope you know, right? Don't ask what is this one. We already done. This is called as a filtering. Where we covered this example? Filtering we covered actually. Can I make it here too actually? No. Why no? Because data set having no two value. Then do you think program will scold us actually? Now what is output? Very good. Very good. Empty output actually. Now my suggestion will be for every ML algorithm, first we need to apply EDA. First we need to apply what exactly, sir? EDA. By applying the EDA, you will understand about the data set like anything actually. Then let's move on to the discussion. Yeah, we done these are all. Now please observe here. Can I say this is the data visualization? What visualization, sir? Data visualization. On x-axis, what I'm taking is y-axis, either they bought insurance or not actually. In x-axis, go for this person is will be, can I say 18 years of old, 19 years of old? Good. Somebody, 20, 20, 21, 22, 22 or 23. Someone bought insurance, sir. If you want, go back to the data set and you can cross verify. I mean to say that on x-axis, what we're taking, 0 or 1. I'm sorry, sir. On y-axis, what we're taking? 0 or 1 actually. Guys, are you with me? Good. Go back and do the data visualization. Let us just try to apply data visualization to. Step number 2, loading the data set. And now, step number 3, I would like to say data visualization. Special step, data visualization. Scatter plot. Can somebody tell me? Can I change this? First of all, what is the syntax? Can I change the name? What is the error? Description? Nice, man. You will get a job actually. Good, let's run. Because many people don't know that steps also. Good. I hope you understand. Am I right or not, sir? If you want, you can cross verify the data points here and here. It is plotted actually. Very nice. Now, from this diagram, what you need to understand is, can I ask a question? Why on axis age value, why there is no 1000 and 2000 actually? Think logically. Anyone can live 1000 years, sir. Let me know what he is eating. I wanted to know actually. Keep in mind that the beauty with matplotlib is it is walking through the age column and the matplotlib library is deciding what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value, what is the ratio in between, what is the frequency. It is deciding. Generally, that pain we need to take care. When you are studying 10th class actually, you need to check the value in between, what is the ratio, what is the minimum value, maximum value, what is the ratio we need to take. We need to take the pain. But here who is taking actually? Matplotlib is deciding automatically. Matplotlib is deciding what exactly automatically. Take this example. Let me keep in running notes. So are you using Notepad or Notepad++ or PyCharm or Jupyter? Which one? Hmm? Notepad and Jupyter. Good, sir. PyCharm also you can try to use. Splitting the data set. Come on. So data preparation, these are all things. Let us do very quickly. Easy. It is very easy. Now just try to come here. Tell me, sir, step number 3, data preparation. Can I say that one? Tell me, boss. Data preparation. Data preparation means prepare X and Y. Prepare what exactly? X and Y. Just try to say. Here I am taking df of what exactly is. Now let me show you one thing. Let me show you one thing. Print of df. Then it will print the data frame. It will print what exactly, sir? Data frame. Am I right? Good. Now it is printing data frame. Now do one thing. Uh, A is column. What column actually? A is column. Now please observe here. Please understand this syntax. You need to understand. What is output actually? Can somebody talk with me? What is this one? Very good. What is this one? Go back and just try to give one more thing like this actually. Please understand what is going on. Very good. Yeah. Now please observe this one. What is this one actually? Can somebody talk with me? Yes, I know, sir. Yes, I know. But what is this one? Single column data frame. What is this one? Very good. I'm sorry for getting. This is the series. This is what exactly? Single column data frame. I mean to say that if you are providing directly like this, df of A is series. What is that one, sir? But if you are providing df of like this syntax, you are getting a single column data frame. What we are getting? Yeah, that syntax you need to understand. See, that's what we are applying. df of is. What is this one? Single column data frame. Yeah, good. This is the series value. This is what exactly, sir? Series value. Get ready, sir. Come on, get ready. Data preparation X and Y we done actually. Let me just try to run the code. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation. Take this one. Let me stop this one. Let's move on. Let's move on. Come on. Data preparation. These are all things we done actually. What is the next one? Tell me, sir. What is the next one? Splitting the data set. Good. What is the ratio? I will cry. 90-10. What is the 90? Training. 10? Testing. Good. What is the function? Is it function or method? Function. Function name? Train underscore test underscore split. Good. Let us splitting the data. Let us apply. Data preparation. Splitting the data set. Step number 4. Splitting the data set. I hope every one of you know why I'm providing here is this one actually. Now more to the keep into the next line, sir. Error, name error. Go back. But in India, if you're doing 2 jobs actually, but in India, if you're doing 2 jobs, if company caught you, that is called as a moonlight actually. That is called as what exactly? Moonlight. The word that is called as a moonlight. Moonlight. You might heard here and there before 1 year or 1.5 year back actually. With the moonlight Wipro company, done lay off many employees actually. I know one of the manager. Good. Talk with me, sir. What is the first one? Importing the libraries. Next one. Loading the data set. Next one. Data preparation. Next one. Splitting the data set. Good. Yeah, you can kindly please X train. I'm printing X test, Y train, and I'm printing what exactly? Y test actually. You kindly please print these are all stuff. You will understand very clearly. Talk with me. What is the next step? What is the next step, sir? Model creation. Good. In sim, come on, look at my screen. In simple linear regression, what is the name of the class? Linear regression. One more time. Last time. Linear regression. I mean to say that in simple linear regression, or else multiple linear regression, or else polynomial feature, or else what exactly? Polynomial feature. Polynomial feature. The name of the class is what exactly? No, name of the class is what exactly? Linear regression. Linear what exactly? Regression. This is the name of the class. This is what exactly? But today we are learning logistic regression. What we are learning, sir? Logistic regression. What is the name of the class? Any guessing? Yeah, now look at my screen, everyone, please. The class name is what? Is it class or function? How can, because I said it is a class, right? How can you recognize? Capital letter. Very good. Now let me ask a question. You just wanted to find out this is really available inside of this class or not? DIR actually. Good. Let me tell you. Let's do that one also. Take this one. Take this one. Let me cross verify. What you need to do, import. First to take this one. Package as SL actually, as what or else as just try to give something like a K. Now dir of K, dir of what exactly? K. Then you can see logistic regression. You can see what exactly? Logistic regression. I mean to say that we are just cross verifying this class is available inside of this package or not. How you can cross verify? Import name of the package, just alias name actually, dir of K actually. Are you ready? Can we do? Come on, let's just try to open a command prompt. Good practice, sir. Like this, you need to cross verify. You should know each and every step, man. Take this one. All right. DIR of K. Come on, come on, come on. DIR of what exactly K? Cross verify. What is the name of the class? Logistic regression. Logistic regression. Where is logistic regression? Control F, Control V. It is hide and seek, sir. Yeah. No, no, no. Not that one. CV, that is. Exactly. This is the class, sir. Logistic regression. Like this, you need to cross verify. In every package so and so thing is available or not. Can you please do let me know? This is the function available instead of this one or not. How to cross verify actually? Import sklearn dot model underscore selection as sm, then dir of what exactly? Are man, are you getting what I'm saying? What I'm saying, tell me. We are cross verifying either it is available inside of this one or not actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Please listen. Now come on, tell me. Import so and so package as, just try to, I always try to give first letter is the S actually, last letter is the M. Yeah, good. M. Then what we need to do is dir of, talk with me, SM. Now run this one also. Then check for the function. Like this you need to do. Yeah, dir of SM. Good, all right. Cross verify, where is the function, sir? If it is not available, you will scold like anything actually. Am I right? Yeah, here it is available. What is the function name? Train underscore test underscore split. Now let me tell you, the beauty will be understand about one thing. Remaining things you don't need to focus actually. Of course, other things also available. Don't scare. The problem with human being is, first of all, what is target? Learn that one actually. Other things not required, sir. We are not using that much in real time actually. But if you just wanted to know more actually, go for the documentation. Go for what exactly? Documentation. Everything has a documented actually. Everything. Right, good. Let's just try to move on. Can I take these two examples also? Is it helpful for you? Hmm? Let me just try to take this one in a running notes. We are in the running notes. Delete this one and even delete this one. These two are separate examples. Come on. Here we are. What is the name of the class, sir? Talk with me. Logistic regression. Sir, so this is the class discussion. The next one is what exactly? Create an object. Next one is what exactly? Call the method. That's it. Call what exactly? Method. That's it. Very simple. Very, very simple. Come on, let's do that one very quickly. As usual. First of all, I just need to, why this is available, sir? If you're not using the library, you have to delete immediately. Till here we done. Let me run the example once. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set. Go back here, model creation. Get ready, model creation we are going to do. No, in a boolean I want to do. Come here, create an object. Step number 5, model creation. What is this one? Model creation. Model equals to, sorry, logistic regression. What regression? Logistic regression. This is the name of the class. This is what exactly? Name of the class. Why? Because class name always starts with capital letter. You need to recognize, you need to remember, there is no way. You need to recognize, you need to remember actually like this, right? Now run this example. All steps are done. And the sixth step is tell me model training. During model training, what we need to do? What is the method name? Fit. Method name is the common, sir. Model training. Method name is what exactly? Common actually. Model dot fit method. What we need to provide? X comma what exactly? Y. No. Why? Because we already splitting the data also is done. What is done actually? Splitting the data is done. What we need to provide? X train. Next one is Y train. Next one is what exactly? Y train. Keep in mind that. That is important. In your example, if splitting is not there, go for X and Y. Go for what exactly? X and Y. If splitting is available, no, you should not provide X and Y. Then what is the use of this one actually? You can still provide, but you're not using this one actually. Are you getting? Yeah, good. See, observe here, here also, train. Previously one student, what he done, here he is providing, good. Understand, X test and Y test he provided. What he provided actually? X test and Y test actually. We should not provide. During training, we need to provide training data set. Best example, go for my father example. What example actually? Father example. He have taken 100 images. Then he started splitting what exactly? 70 into what exactly? 30 ratio. Now my father started training with what data set actually talk with me? 70, but not what exactly? 30, but not what exactly? 30. 70 is a valid. But still my father can train me with the testing data set also. But what is the problem? Testing data set is a small data set, sir. With 30 images, I cannot understand. That's why big data set is required. What is required actually? Big data set is required. Now, in upcoming example, I will still show you one example. If you are providing X test and Y test, what happened? Hold on. Would you have a separate scenario? Would you have what exactly? Why I'm stressing this point, generally students may get a doubt. Fit method, why only takes train, why not test actually? There is a reason. There is a reason. But keep in mind that fit method, we need to provide always what exactly? X train, Y train. One more time. X train, Y train. I hope you understand, sir. During training, model learns the parameter and one more function involved. What function actually? Yesterday we discussed cost function. What function is involved actually? Cost function. Why cost function? What is the purpose? Minimize the error, increase accuracy. One more time. Minimize the error, maximize accuracy. One more time. Minimize error, maximize accuracy. That's what. Keep in mind that. Okay. Good. Yeah. Let me answer this question. One of teammate is asking, sir, if you apply data analyst actually, data analyst, we should aware about ML, Excel or not actually. Sir, let me tell you, if you wanted to become data analyst actually, these are all things you should aware, sir. First one programming language you should know. I can recommend highly on Python actually. Second one visualization tool you should know. Visualization tool actually directly Power BI. And next one is data analysis techniques. Data analysis techniques. Go for pandas. Go for what exactly? Pandas. If you wanted to become data analyst, these are all things actually. Sir, I hope you understand, right? And remaining all other things are small stuff. But let me tell you, Excel. This is frankly speaking, sorry for using one word actually, outdated, sir. Outdated actually. If anyone is trying to using Excel, but still companies are using. Let me tell you, you guys are so better rather than companies. I'm repeating again, we guys are really better than software companies actually. Let us take 100 software companies. How many software companies? Mostly 5 to 6 companies like to update with the new technology. But 95 companies still they will use old softwares only. Still they will use what exactly? Old softwares only. Let me tell you. You know about the SBI, right? SBI. SBI Bank application, it was created and implemented in a long back, sir. On an average, I would like to say more than 20 years or 30 years actually. How long time? 20 years or 30 years. That SBI Bank don't want to touch any other software. Frankly speaking, that is a very old software. There was one company called as a Infosys actually. It went to SBI, it arranged one meeting. Give me your software, we can update actually. We will give updated software with updated technology. What SBI said, sorry, we are fine. We are what exactly, sir? Fine actually. Now, almost if you take 100 software companies actually, still 95 companies they are using old technologies only, legacy technologies only. Are you getting what I'm saying? Good. I will start, sir. But let me tell you, the Power BI, whatever I'm covering, it's not end to end actually. It's not end to end. Why? Because can somebody talk with me? We are data analyst or data scientist actually. Yeah, data science. What is required that I can cover actually. We are not covering end to end, but I can cover. Kindly please hold on. Let us continue the discussion. Good. Where are we? Yeah, we done model got trained. These are all stuff, sir. Yeah, it's a right time for what exactly? Prediction. It's a right time for what exactly? Prediction. Come on, let's do the prediction. Just do small fun actually. Now, step number 7, prediction. Step number 7, what exactly? Prediction with model. Without model, prediction is not possible. Now, print off, get ready. Model dot, what method, sir? Predict method. Method name is the same. Now here you need to provide, get ready. Assuming that I just meet one person age is the 23. Person age is what exactly? 23. Model is not required. Who can predict actually? I have given 1 hour class, sir. Man, take the LIC. LIC is good for you. Your life is good actually. Something blah blah I explained actually. Will he take? Tell me, sir. Will he take? No, he will not take actually. Now, no means what is the result? Tell me. See, model also will do the prediction. Yeah. What is the result? So your warnings you can ignore. What is the result actually? Zero only. If you want, just try to come here. Just make it this one is what exactly? Values. All right. 23 years of old. Easy taking, easy planning for LIC actually? No. No way, sir. Take this example. Now go for what is the next stage actually? 60. Sure, sir. I will provide actually. You said 16 or 60 actually. Okay, okay. 60. Guess either he will take or not. Mostly 90% he will take actually, but still there are 2 to 3 members they are not taking. We'll see how the model will do, how the model will check actually. 60 years of old, sir. Yes, he is ready. He is taking insurance. He's what exactly? Taking insurance. See, go to the data set. 90% of the people, if the age is more actually, even if they are not working, at least they will take for their daughters actually. Will you believe or not? I'm sure, no doubt at all actually. Are you getting your one? Fine, keep in mind that. Let me drink water. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hold on, sir. Hold on, hold on. Look at my screen, please. This example, can I convert into runtime? I need to ask, enter your age. Then it's supposed to do the prediction. Can we convert like that actually? It's a very simple. Take the same example. We just need to apply input and output topic. What topic actually? Input and output. Get ready. Now we need to provide the value here. We need to provide what exactly? Value here actually. Go get ready. Get ready. That value we need to take at runtime. At what time actually? Runtime. You tell me, input here, enter your age. Enter your what exactly? Do you think valid actually? Very good, man. Why? Yeah, very good. Then this one we need to convert into what exactly? Integer. Nice, nice, nice. I feel so happy. You still remember actually. Then it is asking at runtime. At runtime, we need to give the value. Then it will do the prediction actually. It will do what exactly? Prediction. Then here you can tell, so the prediction is what is the prediction, sir? Provide here what exactly. Let us just try to take here, assign this one with one variable a equals to something like this. Then here what we need to do, print of a. See, same example, we are doing some groundwork actually, that's it. Code never change actually. Instead of hard coding, now just try to play the game actually. Very good. Just try to understand. Yeah, did you notice? It is asking. Previously, we hard coded actually. Like this. Take the example. You just need to apply what we know actually. Yeah, let me enter. What is A, sir? Let me enter 45. The prediction is what exactly? 1. Prediction is what exactly? 1. Good. Over this example, let me apply one more analysis. What is the analysis? If the understand the requirement like this. If the result is at 0, I just wanted to tell no. If the result is what exactly 1, I just wanted to tell yes. See, 1 0 client cannot understand. Client will understand what is 1. Client will ask a question, what is 0 actually. Then what we need to do? Convert 1 as what exactly? Yes. 0 as what exactly? No. How to do, any idea? Then here what we need to do, capture this value. Can I say that is the index of 0? Am I right or not, sir? Capture that value. Use if condition. What condition? If condition. What we need to do, like this, sir, slowly by slowly, you guys need to work out on these examples. Hold on, I will help you. Take values at runtime. Then you can feel really amazing actually. Come here, come here. First of all, let us print index of what exactly? 0. Index of what exactly? 0. Let us just try to print. Check it out. 18, 0 value. What value? 0 value. Now come here. If a of 0, print what I need to print, sir? He is not interested. He is what exactly? Not interested to take what exactly, sir? Insurance. Now next one is what exactly? Yeah, very good. You can directly maintain else actually. You can directly maintain what exactly? Else. Then else what we need to write actually? First of all, are you getting what I'm saying? Simple, sir. If you know flow control, these are all Brittany examples. We already played actually. Like this, from the example, existing example, you need to draw slowly by slowly examples like this actually. Come on, you can do. Can somebody talk with me? He is interested. He is interested actually. Interested. Call daily minimum 10 times actually. How many times? Until take the insurance. Until what exactly? Take the insurance actually. Don't leave. Am I right or not, sir? Just whenever you are getting a call from any insurance company, if you say yes, sir, gone case, sir. Do you know about this experience actually? Hey, let me tell you. Once you uploaded your profile, once you uploaded what exactly? Your profile, let me tell you, assuming that you uploading profile with 8 lakhs package. What lakhs package actually? 8 lakhs package. By taking consultancy, you are taking, you applied 8 lakhs package. Then Naukri company, what it will do, they will sell your mobile number to banking domain. Access Bank people will go to the Naukri company. Sir, everywhere is a data and business actually. Your mobile number, Naukri company will sell to banking domain people actually. Then, bank Access Bank people will ask who are all having greater than 8 lakhs package, give me their numbers. Then Naukri team will ask, what is the benefit for me? And Access Bank will pay For 100 numbers I can pay some 10,000, 1,000, 2,000, something like that actually. That's why once if you uploaded your profile, even if you're not a working employee actually, you will get a call from whom actually? Banking actually. Then during that time you have to act. No, 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 I'm not interested actually. But you should not tell, hey, don't tell to anyone, I applied a fake experience actually. Did you understand? Please come on, sir. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. Run this example. Let me enter 18. Yeah, the prediction is 0. He is not interested. He is not what exactly? Interested. Call daily 10 times. Why this is executed actually? So, sorry, sir. Equals what exactly? 0. Am I right? Sorry, 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 sorry. Good, good. Let me enter 18. Let me enter what exactly? 18. This is seriously very nice. Means we draw a nice example actually. Like this, all examples you need to take it out. Take runtime, wherever it is possible. Your coding skills will be improved automatically. Good. I hope you understand. Online team, can I get a response? Are you with me? Good. All right. Thank you. Every company is doing business with data. All your Gmail IDs is a data. Google company will do the business. Google company, all companies will reach to Google. Give me all mail IDs actually. Then Google company will share all your mail IDs with getting some money actually. That's what. Have you ever read the terms and condition? No, we never ever read. Even I didn't read. Whenever you are creating Gmail ID and it will show the terms and condition, in that terms and condition there is a one point actually, we can use your Gmail ID like anything actually. You don't have a rights to ask actually. They will specify something like that, not in rude way like how I'm telling actually. Smoothly they will tell, we are ready to use your Gmail ID. One point I would like to say, sir, if anyone is giving as a free, if anyone is giving as what exactly free, get ready, that is a product. That is what exactly? Product actually. Later they will reuse. Later they will what? Facebook is a free, but indirectly you are generating the data to the Facebook company actually. I hope you know these are all stuff, but keep in mind that if any application is coming, even Android apps are coming actually. Best example, hey, install our app, you will get some money. No, nowadays what happened? Recently, I got a two WhatsApp numbers. There was a one madam actually, and madam or boy, I didn't know. She's telling, install this app, you will get some money actually. You will get what exactly? Some money. I told, I have enough money. I'm sorry for getting. I have enough money. I don't want. I told actually, but at least to forward this one to someone. And this is I got it. I blocked immediately. One more also I got it. Open the link, like actually. Open the link, share the link. You will get the money. I got something like actually, sir. These are all fraud. Please. This is one more fraud. One more fraud will be for the previous batch. Can I take 1 or 2 minutes? Is it fine? Am I wasting your time? No, right? 1 minute. Nah, this even if it is recording also fine. Let me tell you. From the previous batch, first of all, who are all learning, you're all in a hurry. Am I right? Especially nowadays, there are few consultancies or else fake companies. What they're doing, they are targeting freshers actually. They're targeting to whom? Fresher. Fresher in the sense you done graduation recently. You uploaded your profile. Company will screening for you. They will take your profile. They will call you and they will tell we are from so and so company. We shortlisted your profile. Tomorrow is the interview. Tomorrow is what exactly? You may bill automatically. Why? Because you are in a hurry to get a job. Am I right or not? They will conduct the interview and they will tell you are very good in screening. And tomorrow is the next interview. Tomorrow is what exactly? Next interview. You can feel very happy. That is, I know. Second round also they will tell. Third round also they will tell. And all rounds they will clear. And finally they will tell there is one certification is required for you. You need to pay 10,000 actually. You need to pay what exactly? 10,000. Sir, there are many students are paying like that. Please. No company never ask a money to give the job. No company never ask a money. If any company is asking a money to provide a job, keep in mind that in your brain actually, that is the fake company. That is what exactly? Fake company. Trust me. If you want, you can spread this one to your friends, your colleagues, anyone also. Are you getting your one? Yeah. But let me tell you, there are some Actually, let me drink water. Mm. Now, sorry, logistic regression backend using the function. That function name is a sigmoid function, sir. What function actually? Sigmoid function. Tell me what function? Sigmoid function. Can somebody tell me we are getting output as a per 18 years of world? What is output we are getting? 0. Yeah, good. Very good. Can somebody talk with me? Some 60 years of person. What is output actually? 1. What is output? 1. Good. Let me tell you. Now, this sigmoid function will decide either 0 or 1. That point you need to understand first of all. This sigmoid function will decide 0 or 1 actually. Good. To decide this is the 0 or 1, what exactly it happened, best example, if you are providing 18, come on, if you are providing what exactly 18, backend it will generate the value, that value will be less than 0.5 value. What value actually, sir? Can somebody talk with me? Less than 0.5 value. This is called as a threshold value. That is called as what exactly? Sigmoid function backend, it will generate 0.3, assuming that. If it is generating 0.3, sigmoid function automatically return the values what exactly? 0. Are you with me? What exactly I'm explaining? I will repeat one more time. Whenever you are using predict method, 18 you are providing, what is the result you are getting? 0. How you are getting that result as a 0, sigmoid function maintain one small filter actually. That filter will be what exactly, 0.5. They will make as a threshold value. They will make as what exactly, sir? Threshold value. If you want, I can tell like this actually, so that you will understand very clearly. Good. Good. Now, assuming that if you entered age as a 18, sigmoid function will generate the result as a something like a 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, something like that. Then, if sigmoid function is returning 0.3, then what is the result actually? But there is a hidden process. That is what process actually? Yeah, here this is called as a threshold value. What value? Now you talk with me. If you are getting 1 means, can somebody talk with me? What can be the result? Either 0.8, 0.7, 0.9. Are you getting? Now hold on. Go back. Go back to the discussion. Now this you can easy to understand. The logistic function also called as a sigmoid function. It maps any real value into another value within the range of what exactly? 0 and 1. The value of logistic regression must be in between 0 and 1. In between what exactly, sir? 0 and 1. See, here is the result will be either 0.3, 0.1, 0.2, 0.4. You may ask a question, if it is a 0.5, if it is what exactly? 0.5, it will go for the next precision. Do you know about the next precision? I mean to say that, 0.5 means it will go for the 6 also. It will go for what exactly? 6. Then the next priority goes to what exactly, sir? 1. But algorithm will decide. You no need to be worried actually. The value for logistic regression must be in between what exactly, sir? 0 and 1. In logistic regression, we use the concept of threshold value, which defines the probability of either what exactly, sir? 0, 1. Just try to see here. Now you can easy to understand. These are all 0. These are all 1. But why we are getting 0 here, why value 0.3, 0.4, 0.4.4, 0.1, these are all values actually. For the threshold, what are all below values? No doubt at all. What is the result, sir? 0. For the threshold value, what are all above values belongs to what exactly? 1. Keep in mind that. Are you getting? Good. Now this is the formula. Any idea? Anything is dividing with 1 divided by any value. What is the result? Any idea? Yeah, in between 0 to 1. If any value, if you're trying to dividing with 1, take any value. 1 by 10, 1 by 20, 1 by 300, 1 by 400, 1 by 1000, 1 by 2000, 1 by 1 lakh actually. Ensure that that result is in between 0 to 1. The result is in between what exactly? 0 to 1. Sigmoid function, the formula will be 1 by 1 plus e to the power of g. You no need to focus what is e, what is g. Some constant value. Some constant, what exactly, sir? Value. Are you getting? But back end, how it is executing, you no need to focus. But let me tell you, when you can focus, once you join in any data science company, After working 1 or 2 years, actually, now do the deep dive. Now, what exactly, sir? Deep dive. What formula is executing? How it is executing? As of now, not required for you. During interview, no one will not ask actually. Okay. All right. I hope I skipped this one. I covered this one also. Did I skip anything? No, we done this. Immediately, I will start another topic also. Can somebody talk with me? Go to the Kaggle. If you are looking for more logistic regression example, click on the code actually. Either here you can search, here also you can search. The difference between searching here and searching here, I will tell you. Hold on. Here also you can search. Logistic regression. What regression, sir? Logistic regression. You can search actually. Then regarding the logistic regression, how many examples, sir? Do you think 8 examples actually? No, how many examples? 80,000 examples actually. Now just try to come here. Click on Python. Click on what exactly? Python. How many examples? 78,000 examples actually. Walk through. Here is a relevance actually. Relevance in the sense based on date and based on the related word actually it is searching. Same thing like this. Let me just try to search for linear regression. With class name we are searching, sir. What we are searching actually? Class name. Search this one. I'm sure it is more than what exactly? 49,000. Go for the Python. 48,000 examples actually. Sir, out of 48,000 example, work for 5 to 6 example. How many examples actually? 5 to 6 example. Now, this is the way. Here you can search like this. Let me show you the better way of searching. Click on code. Tell me. Click on code. Here is the better way of searching. If you are searching here, you can see the rating. I just need, rating related example actually. Right, good. Now click on here, come here. Logistic regression, sir. What regression actually? Logistic regression. Click on this one. Your spelling should be correct actually. Right, good. Filter. Don't apply any filter. Hotness actually. When I say hotness, most votes actually. What is that one? Most vote. Click on this one. Here, what is the current voting actually? 245. This is example created since a long back. How many years actually? 6 years ago actually. Then click on most votes. Wow, 10,000 votes, sir. How many years actually? That too Titanic data science example. Titanic data science solution actually. This is the best way to do the more practice if you are more interested with the example. Do top 10 actually, that is more than enough. I mean to say that 9, here if it is a rating more than 100, that is a good example. Here, if the rating is more than 100, that is a good example actually. Go for the second slide also. And 900, 900, these are all. Go for the 8th slide actually. Still good example, sir. 175. Go for the 10th. 150. Check. 22. Yeah, these are all logistic regression related examples only. But if it is more than 100, 200, these are all things really good actually. Zomato restaurants example. Good, good. Now, conclusion of the story. Use Kaggle to do more practice. Use Kaggle what exactly, sir? To do more practice. Are you getting? Yeah. Initially, you may struggle. Slowly by slowly, try to understand, try to do the practice actually. Okay. Fine. That is my best suggestion. I can continue. Hold on. Move on to the next one. If anyone joined just now, tomorrow no session. Saturday session you can kindly please follow. Google Classroom I can update maybe on Friday night. Tomorrow night only I can update. What is the timing? What is the topic actually? Machine learning. We done with simple linear regression. Sir, this document both are same actually. I just randomly I have given wrong number. Both are same. These are all both are same. Now the next one, multi-class classification. Let us start. Good. Yeah, look at my screen. Interesting. I'm starting another algorithm. In a in a linear regression, first one is a simple linear regression. First one is second one is difficult linear regression. Am I right? What is the second one? Multiple linear regression. Yeah, same thing like that. In a regression, how we do have a simple linear regression, multilinear regression. In classification also, we do have a binary regression, binary logistic regression. Next one is what exactly, sir? Multi-class classification. What is example? Multi-class classification example. Let us start. This is the introduction. Logistic regression comes under supervised learning. It is a technique that is used to solve for classification problem. It is a technique that is used to solve for what exactly? Classification problem. It is used for predicting the categorical dependent variable using given set of what exactly? Independent variable. Binary classification having how many classes? Two classes. Multi-class classification having how many classes? More than two. Now we are going to work with this example. We are going to work with what exactly? This example. In binary classification example, 0 or 1, pass or fail, yes or no, these are all. Multi-class classification, okay, good, best, cat or dog, these are all things actually. You tell me, my father example, which type of example? Cat and dog. I know cat and dog. I'm asking binary actually. Good, keep in mind that. Binary. Good, very good. Now, this is interesting problem, sir. You should aware about this one actually. I'm sure I still remember I told this one actually. There are public data sets. These are all what exactly? Public data sets. What are all data sets I told? Any idea? First one is a Titanic. Second one, maybe tips. I didn't explain much actually, but I still remember in a data visualization, the part number two, last example, tips also public data set actually. Don't worry, not much important, not much important. And today, let me explain one more example. Iris data set also we are going to see. Iris, read everyone. Iris flower data set. What data set actually? Flower data set that we are going to cover. And the fourth one will be handwritten digits. Handwritten what exactly, sir? Digits actually. This one also one of the public data set. One of what exactly? One more time. Public data set. What is the data set name? Handwritten digits. Handwritten digits. Digits images data set actually. What data sets are? Images data set. This example we are going to see today by using multi-class classification. By using what exactly, sir? Multi-class classification. We'll see. Yeah, let's continue. Let's continue. First of all, let me explain the problem statement. What is a problem statement? Come on. Good. Let me explain. The same example. Let me take different example. Assuming that my father, now it's not like a cat and dog example actually. My father wanted to wanted to train Daniel to recognize numbers in between 0 to 10. Sorry, in between 0 to 9. In between what exactly? 0 to 9. Understand the problem statement here? It is what exactly, my father, he wanted to train his son, and he wanted to train his son. He's having images actually. He's having what exactly? Images. Every image having one number. That two handwritten digits actually. That two handwritten number. I will show you. Then what my father wanted to try and actually talk with me, 0 to 9 numbers. When I say 0 to 9 numbers, these are all numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3. Later I can tell why only 0 to 9. First of all, follow the session. First of all, what exactly? Follow the session. Are you getting? Good. How many numbers actually talk with me? 9 numbers. Previous example, how many outputs actually talk with me? Two. What are those two actually? Yeah, first of all, understand this one, cat or dog. Then this is called as a binary classification. What is this one? Here, how many? Tell me here, how many? 10. Then what is this one? Multi-class classification. This is what exactly, sir? Multi-class classification. Yeah, good. Important. Important actually. Now I'm repeating one more time. Then my father wanted to train me 0 to 9. 0 to 9. So my father went to one shop actually. My father went to what exactly? One shop. And he went to shop he went to shop and he's asking, so I need images. I need what exactly? Images with numbers over images. With numbers over what exactly? Images. That too, it's not like a straight away number, handwritten digits number. What numbers actually? Handwritten digits number actually. Good. If you want, I will tell you. Hold on. Sir, assuming that this is image number one. In this image, what is available, if I take this one, hold on. I'm trying best for you actually. I will always think about the. Let us take a snapshot. Hmm, hmm. Come on, we are in the track actually. What kind of images my father have taken? Assuming that this is the first image. This is what image, sir? First image actually. In this image, number one was written like this actually. Number one was written what exactly? Like this. Can I say image number one? Good. One more image is available. In that image, do you think, can I say one also can write like this actually? Tell me, sir. We can, yeah, we can write actually, but that is still number one. That is still what exactly? Number one. Good. One more image is available. There, one was written like this actually. One was written what exactly? They will take like this actually. Neatga diddutarannamata, like this actually. They can apply small coating actually. Can I say this one also one? This one also one? You people are not liking this one. Let me delete this one, sir. I'm sorry, I cannot see your face actually. Come on, please. I'm just kidding. You guys are looking at me very seriously. Do you think that is the one actually? Sir, just for fun, man. Please. It is okay. Are you fine? Now let me look at every one of your faces actually. Are you fine, everyone? Yeah, now fine, right? Now, yeah, like this. Now the next image. Two. Am I right? Now the next image. The same number. Few people can write the two like this, sir. Am I right or not? Yeah. Now you are in my track actually. Like this, my father collected how many images, Keep in mind that the total images will be 1791 images. He went to one shop actually. He went to what exactly? One shop and he asked, I need images. I need images. How many you have? Give me all images actually. Every image should contain either 1 to 0 to 9 numbers actually. Either what exactly? 0 to 9 number. Yeah, one image. My father seeing actually. First image 1, second image 1 like this actually. Take like this. And third images will be. I hope you understand the pattern. In next images, one image 4 was written like this. I hope you understand. 4 can be written what exactly, sir? Like this also. Mm, yeah, like this also. This you should tell yes, actually. Sir, tell me. Yeah, I hope you understand. Now, how many images he has taken actually? Talk with me. Now, you may think logically, why these many? Sir, these are all data. How much data you do have, that much accuracy you can get it out actually. Luckily, my father have taken previously 100 images. Then during training, my father noticed actually training is done very quickly. Now my father decided actually I need to train almost 10 days. How many days actually? How many images actually? Can he train within 1 hour actually? Gone case. I will jump from the fourth floor actually. Keep in mind that how many images he had taken? Yeah. Now look at the diagram. Look at this one actually. Look at this one. Identify handwritten digits. Identify what exactly? Handwritten digits. Now we are going to write one algorithm. We are going to write what? Yeah, good. He have taken all these things. No doubt at all. My father started what exactly, sir? First operation is what exactly? Shuffle done. Shuffle done actually. Next one is a splitting. Yeah, splitting also done. What is the ratio? 70-30 ratio actually. Very good. 70% he have taken and started what exactly? Training. And 30% he has taken. He is planning what exactly? Testing. Same thing. We are going to take one algorithm. For that algorithm, we are taking 70% of images from this one training purpose. And now we are going to give one image actually. We are going to give what exactly? One image. Now algorithm will tell, Are boss, this is the number one. Boss, this is the number two. Boss, this is the number nine. Something like that actually. Let me tell you, can algorithm can tell this is the number 20 actually? I will jump, sir. Tell me. No. Why? Tell me. Because what is the training actually? 0 to 9 only. Did you understand what I'm talking? Fine then. Can I continue this one in next session? Yeah, fine. This is seriously more interesting. Don't miss the next topic actually. Sorry. Repeating again. Tomorrow no session. Saturday I'm going to take a session, which is called as a workshop actually. Workshop. Mostly the timings will be morning 10. Either I'm planning to cover either generative AI or LLM. We'll see which material will be done. I started already, so I'm planning to update the material also. Kindly please don't miss the session. Saturday, mostly 1.5 hours will take. Morning 10 a.m. sir. Morning 10 a.m. please. What is the purpose of this browser? This browser is a Google Chrome given by Google company. Their motto will be they're planning to capture all the data what I'm typing actually. Then for me, separate model. That model will always suggest. Like that, for every person searching, it will be create a model actual. That's the motto. If any company is releasing any, this is called as a client actually. What is a normal word? This browser. What is this one? Browser actually. Their motto will be they wanted to collect the data what I'm typing actually, what I'm searching, what I'm searching. I hope you know, right? Whenever you are in the sense, this is the domain. These are all things actually, something like this. Who control admin team? Are you with me? Why you recorded actually? It's okay, sir. No worries actually. All right. We done for today's session. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. We done.